Hey guys, today we are gonna try IKT, the wax stick for baby hairs. So let's see if it's working. And also I'm only using it for open hair. Okay. Okay. Ooh, this is genius. Maybe this is the genius. Can you see the difference? I bet you can see. And I'm not even pressing hard. Oh my god, this is great stuff. And also it lasts for like 1 week. So only a little bit lasts for 1 week. This is great stuff. Definitely a buy again. Great stuff. Ew. Oh my god. Okay, good. Great stuff. Wow. So yeah, it can definitely be a great thing. Looks great. I don't even need to use the brush. Maybe I should try. Okay, this one came out. Good stuff. Okay, definitely don't need the brush. So yeah. Great stuff. I have no idea how to put it back, but it's fine. Yeah. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment down below. And yeah, don't forget to join the giveaway. It's a great giveaway in bio. And you also have to watch the videos to, you know, be able to get the rewards. Not just subscribe, honey. Watch the videos and like and comment. Yeah, thanks for watching.